Hi guys, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I am working in the hallway. It's kind of our staircase down to the basement, and it's where I have always had all of my photos. It's kind of been like a gallery walls, family photos. We've got really tall walls, and it's just a big open space with a lot of light because I do have a skylight. So we do get a lot of light in here, and I just feel like, you know, when I redid this, at one point it was all different kinds of pictures. And I didn't like that because I like the uniform, you know, type of look. So then I went to all wood. And so all the picture frames are wood, and we'll show you before of what it looks like. And it's nice, you know what I mean? It's nice, and I think, you know, it's uniform and it was fine. But I started doing black frames for both my kids' graduation stuff, and I just really like the look, the way the black, you know, uniformity just pops. And that's a key, you know, decorating hack, is that when you're decorating, if you have a lot of the same type of things, you know, like say you collect elephants, or you collect you know, blown glass, you know, little figurines or whatnot, bowls and whatnot. Keeping everything in one place, like displaying them in one place, might seem overwhelming, but it's kind of pleasing. Like it's not all just on one piece of furniture, but, you know, decorated in the same area. It brings forth uniformity. I did that. I used to have crosses, like just, you know, periodically on the wall here and there. I still have a few outside of my master bathroom. But then I decided, I just did in my water closet in the toilet room, I have one whole wall, and that's all it is. It's just a bunch of different crosses, you know, different colors, different textures, different, some was saying, some was not, but it's all in one wall. And it's just like, it's just, when you have something just like all together and put together, it just is pleasing to the eye. So what I decided is, on this gallery wall, I'm going to add to it, because I'm going to add all my black frames from my master bathroom, because I'm getting ready to do a reno in there, or an update, not really a reno, but an update. And so I'm going to bring all of those black frames out here. So I painted all of the frames black. So, you know, this is kind of a easy way to, you know, do a project that doesn't cost a lot of money. I have everything. I already have everything. I went, you know, to Lowe's and I bought black spray paint. That's it. I mean, I've got everything else. So it isn't a matter of like I had to go spend a lot of money for this kind of a reno. I just have it, you know what I mean? I have all the stuff, I'm just painting it. But how I'm going to put it back up is going to be a little bit different, and that's what I want to show you. I do have still some wood or some things that couldn't really be painted, so I'm going to put all that on one wall, and then all my black on one, and then decorate it with some shelves. And I'm still going to have room to grow with the family, you know what I mean? Because now I've got the grandkids, and, you know, we've got, you know, new trips and that kind of stuff, traveling as a family. So I've got plenty of wall space to continue it on. So I just think, you know, pictures tell a story. Every time, I know my mom, you know, every time she walks downstairs, she's, you know, reminded of all the pictures. And when I go to my room, I walk past this, you know, and can look down and see. And it's just a nice reminder. It's just, you know, if you're kind of feeling down or sad or anything, I can come out and I can, you know, just kind of look around and go, gosh, you know, wow, you know, what a great time here. We're so blessed that, you know what I mean? That kind of thing. So for me, pictures tell a story. And I'm not one that's really liking a lot of stuff, but when you put it all together with high ceilings, and it's all monochromatic as far as, you know, the frames and that kind of thing, or it's a whole photo shoot put together, it's pleasing to the eye. It's different than just having, you know, a lot of stuff on the walls. So I hope that you learned something from here, and we're going to get started, and I'm going to show you how you can really make a big, bold difference and not have to pay hardly anything for using what you already have and shopping your house. Okay, let's get into it.
You told me that it wasn't right. I knew it first that time. And even if I was blind, and all those possibilities really knocked me off my feet, surrounding all my dreams. All I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, not leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fires left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me.
Here we are, we've got everything cleared out. It looks so crazy. But basically, what we're gonna do is work on this wall being all one, you know, one type. And we're going to just keep it all together, one color, and just do a gallery. This side is gonna be one type of frame in itself. You know what I mean? And so on. I think that's when you get the most impact is when you are using one color. It just draws your eye. One color of frame, or one type of frame, or all the same, or whatever. But that's kind of what we're gonna go with. So as you can see here, I am just laying out all the pictures that I will be using. Oh my Lord, Jessie doesn't know where to go. There's no space. So that when we get started on hanging, I'll just, you know, go right to it, and I know which the next picture or shelf or whatever that I want to use. So that's important too. Lay it all out and just be ready.
Been that much for love, but being free better than none. Tried it before with all I.
Okay, so these are the pictures from the bathroom, and this is going to be new to this area. So again, I've got everything laid out. I need to get one 5x7 for this picture, but I'll do that afterwards. But so again, we have everything laid out, so we know what we're working with. Have everything laid out here in the hallway. It's crazy right now, but it's at least we know what we've got, what we're working with.
And all I know that was left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all. 'Cause you are the fire left in me, you lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You
we finished this gallery wall, and actually it's a gallery staircase, and I think it turned out wonderful. I think if you see the whole purpose, what I was talking about is everything is monochromatic. Yeah, and everything's the same color. Everything's about 3 inches away from each other, so the spacing is all the same. It all just looks a lot more cohesive since it was, yeah, since it's all black now and everything. This, as we talked about before, this has all of the wood tones and that kind of thing. That's all monochromatic, and that works. And then as you do the tour over here, you'll see the all of the travel pictures are very, you know, systematic the way they're hung. You know, it's an easy way to really enhance a space. The only money I spent was on some cans of paint. Everything else here I shopped the home, or I already had the frames. So it is absolutely a very inexpensive. I think I probably spent maybe $25 on paint, and I still have some left over. So it's not a... Are you a silly girl? Are you silly? What do you think? What do you think? No? You don't like it? Anyhow, it's an easy way to update a space and just, you know, refresh an area for a very inexpensive amount of money. So I hope I gave you some information and some ideas and inspiration to go out there and just try a new area, take one at a time. Doesn't have to cost a lot, and I think it makes a really powerful impact. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Told me that I got it right.